Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we need to distribute for y and t. So we have like this. So t divided by t, we have number 1. This one I will put on the left. Next, we have y and first derivative of y. This is about linear differential equations. Now, we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu t. That is about e to the power of the integration. So we can see that negative number 2 over t next to y. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one gone here. So the integration of this one, we have negative number 2 f and t. Later that we put negative number 2 go inside about natural law in here, and we have like this. Now we can simplify, and we got like this. So in this one we multiply both sides by 1 over t squared. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to 8b. So the integration of that one, we have y over t squared. The integration of this one, we have 1 over t, and I will put about c. Now we multiply both sides by t squared. Next, we have the condition. That means when t equals to number 1, y equals to number 3. So I will put number 1 gone here, and here. Number 3 gone here. So this one we have number 2. This one we have number 1. So we put number 2 go to the left, and we have number 1. So I will put number 1 gone here, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.